elections and the local plenary. Good morning. I am Miguel Antonio Escobar, 19 years old, third year BS Business Administration, and has been an ICER for almost 2 years. I am here in front of you as a candidate for the position of Local Committee Vice President for Finance and Legal Affairs for the term 2012 and 2013. In less than 2 years, I was able to assume the following roles: Account Team Leader for Finance under the Talent Management Department, Organizing Committee Vice President for Finance for a project based on exchange, Sales Staff for ISEC Prominent, Finance, Legal and Administration Manager for Talent Management, Organizing Committee Vice President for Finance for National Leadership Development Conference 2011, Organizing Committee President for Global Youth Summit 2011, and Director for Integration of the youngest members of our ISEC family, the World Class Batch. We have experienced finance and legal affairs as a support function since it is the backbone of ISEC operations. It also supports functions during crisis and in the creation of contingency plans. We have experienced finance and legal affairs as a control function since it pulls the inflows of ISEC University of the Philippines, Dalawan into one account and allocates it effectively and efficiently. It also exhibits control during the planning stage of the different teams. But I do not think that we have experienced FLA as a motivating body. I believe it should be. That is why my vision for the next term is for ISEC UPD to have a more proactive finance and legal affairs department. Being proactive in terms of presence and visibility and involvement in strategy formulation of the different functions constituting the organization is a way for FLA to be more relevant in the local community. I believe in sustainability. That is why I am aiming for 1 year in reserves at the end of the term, with all departments reaching their respective goals through the help of the different support departments, including finance and legal affairs. I envision reaching my goal through 3 focus areas: upscaling operations through finance, fostering interdepartmental synergy, and establishing a legal management system. Upscaling operations through finance comprises of the following: motivation through rewards and recognition. Should the finances of the LC at one point be able to support this, I plan to give out conference subsidies to selected members of the organization who have performed very well. I recognize the fact that a lot of our learning and our so-called activation moments are triggered by conferences, which result in heightened organizational commitment. Moreover, campaigns for more exchange numbers will be reinforced with tangible and usable rewards. Professional training sessions. Tapping the alumni to give our members learning sessions with regard to the former's field of expertise or to the competencies needed in order to perform better in this field. I believe that we should not be dependent on our members' innate abilities, but also hone them for their own benefit, and ultimately of ISEC UPD. International partnerships during conferences. International conferences have always been a venue for different ISEC entities to network and to forge partnerships. In partially subsidizing members to go to international conferences, the LC can be assured of more partnerships for exchange. Grants research. Grants are a possible source of revenue for the organization. You can either pitch ISEC UPD as a whole or create projects that will be submitted to grants-giving bodies. It is another form of sponsorship. Member empowerment through projects. I want to create an avenue for the members to fulfill their advocacies by giving them seed money to start their projects. Of course, their projects will be under the deliberation of the executive board and other experts before they can be given capital outlay and be executed. These plans are of course dependent on what the other departments will be bringing into the local committee. This fact leads me to my second focus area, fostering interdepartmental synergy. Finance education for all. I believe that for FLA to be understood, everybody in the local committee should know what its role is and how it does work. Our Finance and Legal Affairs Department is way more advanced as compared to similar departments in other organizations. That a lot of members have a hard time understanding its operations simply because it is not communicated to them. Regular financial reporting. Through financial reporting, all departments will be able to see the impact they make to other departments. It is a motivational strategy that alarms members because they will realize that they are not only accountable for their own success but for the organization as a whole as well. External branding initiatives. Frankly speaking, we are not having a good year when it comes to exchange numbers, that we had to change our goals 100 days before the end of the term. Why I believe that we should be more bullish in terms of advertising if we want to get the numbers that we want. I believe that we have to get the name of ISEC out there. Publicity strategies such as joining the annual UP Lantern Parade may be funded by the local committee upon further investigation and deliberation. Having said all these, I now move to my third and last focus area, the establishment of a legal system within the local committee. I believe that we have been working with legality since time immemorial, and all I want to do is centralize its archiving and that we have people reading the fine print. First, is to establish a contract management system. The contract management system will be the one in charge of archiving and scrutinizing all contracts that the entity is planning itself to get in, and contracts that the LC is engaged right now. Local and national compendium reviews. Our local compendium is still in the works, and the national compendium is always modified to suit the needs of all the entities that follow it. We should be able to maximize these compendia and not make them constrain our operations. But before anything else, we have to be accredited by the Office of Student Affairs for the next term, so that we will be able to start and execute to the fullest all of our operational and strategic needs. Given my plans, I propose this structure. I will have 10 team leaders. All are seated to other departments, mandated to attend meetings of their respective functions. Of course, this is still flexible given the next term's talent plan. I believe that finance and legal affairs will make waves next term because of the foundations laid down by those who handled it in the previous terms. I want to be there steering it to the right direction as its vice president. Also, I want to give back to the organization I have come to know and love. I am Mix, and together, let's make income generations sustainable.